Now, the BJP has taken the fight against Ghulam Mir to the poll panel. The BJP delegation, led by Sudhir Srivastava, met the Election Commission and also submitted a memorandum demanding that the Congress state in charge, Ghulam Mir, should be immediately moved out of Jharkhand state and strict action should be initiated against him. Now, meanwhile, as the Congress comes out in defense of its top leader, Ghulam Mir, who said that LPG subsidy will be given to all, including infiltrators, the BJP is cornering the Congress on the issue, accusing the Congress of now trying to appease infiltrators.
कांग्रेस के ही नेता ने कांग्रेस की पोल झारखंड में खोल दी है। गुलाम मीर, जो कांग्रेस के इंचार्ज है झारखंड में, कहते हैं कि हम सबको सिलेंडर बांटेंगे, यहां तक कि घुसपैठियों को भी सिलेंडर बांटेंगे। मतलब कांग्रेस स्वागत और स्वीकार कर रही है कि हाँ, हम तो ट्राइबल्स का अधिकार छीनकर, आदिवासियों का रोटी बेटी माटी जमीन संस्कृति छीनकर वोट बैंक को दे देंगे। यही तो है डेमोग्राफिक और लैंड जिहाद।
This statement by the senior Congress leader in Jharkhand confirms many things. What the Honorable Home Minister of India, Amit Ji Shah, what our Chief Minister of Assam, who is involved in the elections of Jharkhand, Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma Ji, everybody who has been saying that infiltration is a serious problem and it is impacting the identity of the tribals in Jharkhand, that is being confirmed. The very fact that the Congress party and its leadership wants to give gas cylinders and other benefits to the infiltrators or those who have come in illegally confirms that they know about it, and more importantly, their stand shows for votes. They don't even care for the identity of the tribals in Jharkhand. They don't even care about the national concerns or the concerns that matter to Indian citizens.
गुलाम अहमद मीर का स्टेटमेंट स्पष्ट करता है कि कांग्रेस सरकार तुष्टीकरण की पराकाष्ठा है। ये मानते हैं कि घुसपैठियों को जेएमएम कांग्रेस की सरकार ने शरण दी, फेक आधार कार्ड बनाए और अब इनको सरकारी सुविधाओं देने का वादा किया जा रहा है। इससे स्पष्ट हो चुका है, तो ये घुसपैठियों को वोटर बनाएंगे, घुसपैठियों को सुविधाएं देंगे और देश के नागरिकों को दरनिकार करेंगे। कांग्रेस पार्टी एक टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग की पार्टी है।
Tejshri is joining us live. Tejshri, the issue and the comment made by the Congress leader seems to be changing the course of the election campaign in Jharkhand ahead of phase 2. The BJP is unwilling to let this go. They've been cornering the JMM and the Congress on the issue of infiltration. The fight has now also reached the poll panel. The Prime Minister also raised it. How is the Congress, planning to firefight? They might say that no, this is an attempt to twist his words, but it's all on record.
Well, you see, there is no full stop to this issue because Jharkhand is also going to witness the second phase of poll, which is on 20th of November. And in fact, if we talk about first phase also, then this particular issue of infiltrators was raised by the BJP. And in fact, they were continuously accusing Congress and JMM for sheltering the infiltrators. And in fact, not only just sheltering, but also having a soft corner for them and also accuse them that they do not give the proper rights to the tribals which they deserve. And if we talk about the statement that's been given by Ghulam Ahmad Mir, in fact clearly stated that no matter what, if it is a Hindu, Muslim or an infiltrator for that matter, each one of them will be getting a cylinder subsidy at rupees 450. So then Congress, instead of condemning the statement, they have come up with a clarification and in fact they are shielding Ghulam Ahmad Mir, and in fact the Congress leaders have been saying that he does not mean the infiltrators who have come from outside, but rather these are those infiltrators who BJP consider Jharkhandis to be the infiltrators, and this is an insult to the tribals. This is what the Congress party's B.K. Hariprasad said in fact yesterday while speaking to Times Network. And not only just this, but the JMM leaders are also towing the parallel lines so as to what Ghulam Ahmad Mir has said. And in fact, Ghulam Ahmad Mir himself has issued a public statement on his social media handle, where in fact he has said that he is not talking about the tribals who have come from outside, but those who BJP call as the infiltrators, as Ghuspaitians. Those are the people of Jharkhand itself, and they will fight for their rights. And that is gone to Election Commission and has submitted a memorandum and have asked that Ghulam Ahmad Mir should no more be the election in charge for Congress party in the state of Jharkhand.
So on one hand, you have the Bharatiya Janata Party accusing the Congress and the JMM of now even crossing all limits of appeasement and now trying to woo infiltrators.